our monolithic kitchen risks becoming little more than a concrete white elephant, whose only culinary success to date has been the delivery of a melancholy banana to a melancholy bloke in his melancholy office. Its gleaming hob, sink and oven remain unused, its virgin worktop unblemished by the hearty produce of surf and soil. But now, with hunger raging in the bellies of our stout ManLab yeomanry, it's time for our kitchen to cement its reputation as a crucible of cordon bleu creativity. I'm going to show you how to make a fish finger sandwich. You need 5 fish fingers for a standard fish finger manwich and 2 slices of nice, stiff, old-fashioned white bread. So, 5 fish fingers in the pan. They take 5 to 6 minutes per side, depending on how crispy you like them. Give it a little swirl. Whilst they're cooking, we can consider the garnish, which is going to be sauce tartare. The ingredients for this are a healthy blob of salad cream. Whoops. Sort of about a tablespoon of that.
James?
Yes, Director.
You've broken the glass.
It's only a crack. My mum would say that harbours germs, and it will do over time, but it was only broken like 40 seconds ago. Does it? Do you really want me to start again?
I think so, yeah. Because you might have to dig the whole thing away.
It's acceptable to cook using the cracked glass, but not if it's on television.
Yeah.
So is it all right to murder people as long as you don't murder people on television?
Depends how annoying they are.
The kitchen is just the place for a philosophical debate about the nature of reality. It's like making lunch for Jean-Paul Sartre and all his mates. Sauce tartare with new unbroken glass, take 2. Whilst they're cooking, we can make the garnish, which is going to be sauce tartare. First, you put a healthy blob of salad cream into a jar like this, tablespoonful, something like that. And then to this, you add a roughly equal amount of sandwich spread. Heaped teaspoon, like that. Stir these vigorously together, being very careful not to break the glass whilst you do it. Right, the fish fingers have been in for 5 minutes. That's what they should look like. Slightly browned, slightly seared, as it would be if this was a piece of tuna in an expensive gastropub. It isn't, it is the ManLab kitchen. They are lightly burned. The fish finger was designed so that 5 would fit into a sandwich, 4 in that direction and 1 across the top there. They fit exactly onto a British standard size slice of white bread. The fish fingers are now ready, and this is how you arrange them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 across the top like that. Tartar sauce, liberally applied to the top. Put the top piece of bread on. Now remember, 4 fish fingers are going that way, 1 is going that way. Which way do you cut it? I think the answer is that way. You get precisely 2.5 fish fingers in each half of the sandwich. It isn't quite the feeding of the 5,000, but as the old saying goes, teach me to fish and I will eat for a lifetime. Give me a fish in the form of fingers and I will eat for a lunchtime or something.
It's a little hot.
I've just cooked it, you imbecile. Nice. God, I'm exhausted. Let's do something else.